Whenever you're ready.
Oh, you don't want me to do this?
No.
Okay, let's start here.
Yeah.
Good morning. The public hearing concerning the proposed rules by the Procurement Policy Board will now come to order. As publicly noticed, today's hearing is being held at 255 Greenwich Street, New York, New York, with the option to participate remotely via Microsoft Teams. Today's agenda consists of one formal item: the proposed amendments of various sections of the PPB rules and the creation of a new Section 317 of the PPB rules to outline the procedures and requirements for design-build procurements, including the procedures and requirements for requests for qualifications and requests for proposals, reflecting this two-step process required by the Public Works Investment Act. Section 317 would also set the procedures for proposal evaluation and vendor selection, add definitions for relevant design-build terms, add a new subdivision identifying the new PPB rule, Section 317, as a preferred method for awarding contracts for design-build services, reflect that contract renewals and buy-against procurements are not permitted on contracts for design-build services, and amend PPB Rule 409 to reflect that 409 does not apply to contracts procured pursuant to the new PPB Rule, Section 317. The provisions of PPB Rule 317, which specifically govern the resolution of disputes under contracts for design-build services. The Procurement Policy Board wants to be sure that anyone who wishes to be heard has an opportunity to do so. Those who wish to testify must register now to be called upon for testimony. My name is Nick Negrone, Agency Attorney for the Mayor's Office of Contract Services, serving today as clerk for this public hearing. I'm also joined by colleagues from the Mayor's Office of Contract Services, assisting in the execution of this public hearing. I will now read instructions for testimony. Anyone who wishes to testify in person must complete the form on the table behind me, and someone from our team will come around to collect the form. Anyone who wishes to testify remotely today must register by emailing the Procurement Policy Board at ppb@mocs.nyc.gov. That is ppb, the @mocs.nyc.gov. If you wish to testify verbally today, please provide your name and affiliation, if any, to be called upon for later testimony, as well as the username or phone number you have used to join remotely today. Our team will monitor the account, and I will call out the name in the order in which they are received. You also have the option of providing written testimony by emailing the same email addresses or by going to the NYC Rules website. After reading the item on the agenda, I will ask if anyone wishes to testify regarding that item. If you requested to testify remotely, I will call out your name to testify. Only one person should be speaking at any given time. Should there be any conflict, I will direct who should speak. Each person will be given up to 5 minutes to speak. If you are calling into this public hearing, you may unmute yourself by pressing *6. Please note all of the public comments, both verbal and written, will be provided to the entire board for review and consideration. We will address the first and only item, the proposed changes to the PPB rules relating to the alternative project delivery method known as design build. Thank you. This will conclude today's hearing. A recording of this hearing along with submitted written comments will be available on the Procurement Policy Board webpage. The hearing is now closed. Thank you.